i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be watching this Caterpillar 320E L removing the cedar tree. Quick and easy. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of heavy equipment for sale online at www.i35equipment.com. Like that, it's about down. He'll make a couple loops around here and just gotta make sure all the roots are off, and then he'll pick it up and add to the root pile. We'll watch here for just a minute. Looks like I got a couple extra trees that were growing up in there. Just another benefit of having a manual thumb installed on your machine. Makes tree removal super easy. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.